Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Aikal Daniel bin Razali.
Hi, my name is Wan Muhammad Mustaqim bin Wan Kamaruzaman.
And my name is Muhammad Ifarazi.
My name is Muhammad Mirzalir Irfan bin Ismail.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hakim.
As we can see here is the business overview of the business that we choose. The name of the business is the Sepi Kulaan Enterprise, and the owner name is Mr. Muhammad Aswad bin Rohaimi. The type of the business are sole proprietorship, where the owner was held by his wife, Mrs. Tengku Fiatil Farha. The business was first operated back in November 2019. The operating time for the business are from 5 p.m. and 11 p.m. every day. The business is located at UiTM Cawangan Pahang, Campus Rao. They have 2 workers. The main menu of the business are special beef burger and chicken burger. The social media users by this business are Muhammad Aswad on Facebook, and the distribution of wages are given at RM7 ringgit per hour.
Thank you, Aikal Daniel. Next is business protocol. On the first day, 27 June 2024, me and my team have gathered together to discuss what business we want to do. Then we decide to choose the Recipe Kulaan Enterprise as our first business to do. Next, on 1 July 2024, one of our team members started to approach the Recipe Kulaan owner with conversation on WhatsApp for set up interview appointment. Next, on 2 July, our team got gathering together and setting ready for the job postcard. Then the conversation started and we took a picture with the property. After that, on 3rd July, we discussed together about preparing a video presentation during a team meeting. Next, the date of submission have finally come through. On 5th July, our team have completely finished our assignment and submit to our lecturer. Thank you.
Thank you, Mirza. Next, I will tell the product costing for beef special burger and chicken burger. So for the beef special burger, 200 pieces, we have bun for RM15, beef patty RM187 ringgit, chili sauce RM15, mayonnaise RM20, salad RM12, egg RM80, seasoning RM15, pepper white RM11, black pepper sauce RM7, and white pepper powder RM6. So the total cost to make the beef special burger is 403 ringgit. Next is chicken burger. For bun RM50 ringgit, chicken patty RM180 20 cent, chili sauce RM15 ringgit, mayonnaise RM20, salad RM12, seasoning RM15, pepper wrap RM11, black pepper sauce RM7, and white pepper powder RM6. So the total cost to make a chicken burger is 316.20 cent. Next is indirect material. So for the beef burger special and chicken burger, so the first one is glove RM15 ringgit, plastic for 300 pieces RM7 ringgit 20 cent, and margarine for 1 kg RM8 ringgit. So the total cost for indirect material is 30 ringgit 20 cent. The next one is direct labor. So for the direct labor, we have 2 workers and the total direct labor is RM100 ringgit. Next, let's proceed with direct expenses, which is the first one is gas RM25 ringgit, and we divide by 14 days, and the total is RM1 ringgit 79 cent. And for the generator oil, RM5 ringgit, and the last one is Futra oil, RM1 ringgit 67 cents. And the total cost for direct expenses is RM8 ringgit 46 cent. So the last one is indirect expenses, which is the first one is rent, RM680 ringgit per month, and we divide by 13 days, we get RM22 ringgit 70 cents. Next is salary, RM100 ringgit for 2 workers, and the total indirect expense is RM122 ringgit 70 cents. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Hakim. Next, we will move to job postcard. For special beef burger, total of direct material is RM404 plus with direct labor RM100 and finally plus with direct expenses RM8.46 and we will get total of prime cost which is RM511.46. Next we will plus prime cost with manufacturing which is indirect material amount RM30.20 and indirect expenses RM122.70 and we will get total manufacturing RM664.36. Total cost we divided by total burger which is 200 unit and we will get RM3.30 for one burger. The owner will take 30% from total cost for profit which is 30% multiplied with RM3.30 and we will get total profit RM1. Finally, to get the selling price for special beef burger, we plus total cost RM3.30 with profit RM1 and we will get the total RM4.30 for selling price. Next, for chicken burger, total of direct material is RM360.20 plus with direct labor RM100 and finally plus with direct expenses RM8.46 and we will get total of prime cost which is RM424.66. Next, we will plus prime cost with manufacturing which is indirect material amount RM30.20 and indirect expenses RM122.70 and we will get total manufacturing RM577.50. Total cost we divided by total burger which is 200 unit and we will get RM2.90 for one burger. The owner will take 30% from total cost for profit which is 30% multiplied with RM2.90 and we will get total profit 90 cents. Finally, to get the selling price for chicken burger, we plus total cost RM2.90 with profit 90 cents and we will get the selling price amount RM3.80.
Alright, for our reflection, in my opinion, this assignment is fun to conduct. It brought a good experience and knowledge as job costing is relatable with my previous experience working in the retail industry. I was able to learn many new things that are important in cost accounting. The most important thing is now I was able to identify what is cost accounting when operating a business. That can be an asset for me using this knowledge when I work in the future.
Thank you, Aikal. So my individual reflection is, even though it is a bit complicated, I believe it is valuable because I have learned new things about accounting and how to calculate the cost of a single product for a company. By the end of the assignment, I will be able to use this costing method effectively. This experience has shown me how important it is for a business to have a good way to calculate costs. Thank you.
By doing this assignment, I have learned a lot of how the costing method work in a business, such as how the business calculate the cost of product, selling price and profit that they get. Besides that, I also enjoy doing this assignment with my group mate when we went to interview the people and gain new experience.
Next, for my personal reflection. For me, this assignment teach me to always communicate and work together with my group members to solve problem and help each other. Despite in a short time, we were able to complete our business project perfectly. Thank you.
This project, I discovered new methods for estimating the cost of my group's effort. When I'm having trouble finishing a task, they constantly come to my aid and are incredibly helpful. As we know, job costing is defined as a form of specific order costing applies where work is undertaken to customer special requirements and each order is completed in short duration. To conclude, job costing is important to ensure that all expenses are covered and the group fixes a price that ensures profitability. These are being said because job costing looks at each element involved in a specific project, so we can track the profitability of each one of the products. By analyzing how successfully you manage estimation of price of production of the product, we can better price the items in the future. Other purposes of job costing is ascertain the profit or loss made on each item. For example, a job costing system lets you calculate the cost of individual operations, so we can ascertain the profit margin of each job. With the data in hand, we can choose the item will be more profitable for a sale or which manner of production will be most efficient.